Hello again everyone, we're at Euro Business Cup 2025 and today's last matches were played and now I have Team Orbit with me. Congratulations, you have won an amazing match with 6 total goals, I think. How was the match? What do you want to say?
We did a great match for us, we scored a lot of goals and we are happy about the win.
Do you want to say anything?
Ти ще преведеш?
Как е минал матча и доволни от матча?
Доволни сме, разбира се, защото успяхме да постигнем победа, така доста изразителна и гледаме към утрешния матч.
He said we are happy about the win and we are going to look for tomorrow for the match.
Yeah, tomorrow you have another match too. And what are your feelings about the last 16? Are you going to be on the last 16?
Дали сме щастливи, дали целта ни е да продължим към последните 16?
След тези две изразителни победи, разбира се, че това не е целта и се надяваме на един добър резултат утре да излезнем като така доста предна позиция.
After our two wins, hopefully we will go to the final 16 and we will look at the last 16, of course.
Okay, thank you very much and I hope the best for you and your team. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates.